Happy Wednesday, guys. We're about to get my nails done. Very bare, very short nails, ready to get them done. Happy Friday, guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chey if you're new here, and thanks for keeping me company. Today is actually Friday the 3rd, so day before 4th of July, so I'm actually off of work today. I'm about to head out to meet my friend Brittany for lunch. I'm so very excited because it's been far too long since I've seen my girl. We have a lot of catching up to do. She got a new job and I haven't seen her since she got her new job, so very excited to catch up with her. It is a heat wave in New York this weekend. It's probably crazy that I'm wearing all black, but also I just could not be bothered, and I know that this will hide sweat, so. But I'm wearing really breathable pieces. I'm actually wearing this tank top from Quince, which is 100% linen, and then I'm wearing my culotte style pants, which aren't cotton. They're from COS. I'm hoping I'm okay. I am bringing my little fans, so while I'm outside I can have some air on me. It's just so freaking hot this weekend. Brett and I are going to Cafe Paulette, which is right next to Fort Greene Park, so we'll probably get up to something after lunch as well. Not quite sure what we will do, but either way you guys are coming along, so let's go. Just stopped and got a lemonade. It is dangerously hot. It's crazy. Well, cheers, guys. So sorry for this crazy shadow on my face, but honestly, I have to be in the shade right now. It's just way too hot. It is actually 5 o'clock now. I just parted ways with Brittany, ate at Cafe Paulette, and then we ended up walking down the street to Bittersweet, which is a coffee shop. Sorry, honestly, I gotta power through this clip. You guys just overheated. That's how hot it is. I just came to the park. I stopped at a tent that was selling some drinks, so I got a citrus and like hibiscus blend. It is just so hot. Honestly, you guys are about to overheat again. Okay, third time's a charm. It is 98 degrees. It says it feels like 100. Honestly, it feels like even more. I would say it feels like 103, maybe even 105. It is just like painful heat where the sun is just blaring you, even when you're in the shade. Even with fans and cool beverages, you're still going to be sweating. But catching up with Brittany was so lovely. I'm so glad that I got to see her. Honestly, I would not bear this sun for anyone else. I'm gonna sign off because the camera is about to overheat again. I've done this clip 3 times. Happy Saturday, guys. It is so hot. I haven't even been outside and I'm already hot. And I'm only about to get hotter because I'm actually about to have a solo beach day and I'm gonna be crazy and ride my bike to the beach. Nervous, but also I'm like, I'd rather do this than take the train. If I get tired, I can just stop and I can get on the train. And same with the way back. And also I'm pretty sure the route that I need to go is like downhill mostly on the way there, so it actually should be a fairly easy ride even though it's a long ride. But yeah, we're having a beach day. I have a bikini on underneath this. Going solo because Braden is using today as a me day. We were actually debating going to a party, but then she was like, you know what, I'm gonna have a solo day, just chill out. Braden has been in prep mode because she actually has another art show next week on the 9th, so she has just been preparing for that, so she wants to have a solo day and then we will hang out tomorrow instead. So her and I are gonna do dinner tomorrow. I'm also very nervous going to the beach today because today is the 4th, so I'm sure it will be crowded, but also this may be my only day during the summer to go. It really feels like now or never. I'm just gonna go see it through. I'm gonna go to Manhattan Beach, which is actually the beach that Braden and I went to last year. And it was a little bit quieter and also nicer than Rockaway. And I'm also sure a lot of people are gonna go to Rockaway. I mean, I'm sure Manhattan Beach is still gonna be overcrowded. I wanna lay out. I just wanna soak up some sun, more so than I even wanna get in the water. I'm sure I will get in the water because it's so hot and I'm probably gonna be scorching hot from riding my bike all the way there. There's actually a bunch of advisories for 5 beaches throughout the city because the bacteria levels. Luckily, Manhattan Beach was not on the list. But yeah, let's get to it. To go, guys.
For about 2.5 miles, continue straight.
Down to 2.5. The ride itself is not that bad. It's just hot. I'm drenched. Like, thank God I'm going to the beach. Alright guys, we have made it to the beach after a long and hot bike ride. We have made it. god.
Yeah, let's take brownie bites.
But it's like fudgy.
Yeah. Friends, bye. Like,
Happy Sunday, guys. It's late in the evening now. It's almost 8 o'clock. Yeah, it's 7:58. I actually just got back home. I didn't talk to you guys before I left, but I had dinner with Braden tonight, like I mentioned. We did an early dinner. We went to this place called Bernie's, which is in Williamsburg, actually right across the street from McCarran Park, which I've passed it so many times, but I've never actually been there. So glad that I finally tried it because it was so good. I got their eggplant parm and oh my gosh, it was so good. Splendid. Honestly, the waiter, when I was ordering, because I was torn between that and their veggie burger, and the waiter was like, no, get the eggplant parm. I eat more steak than anyone I know, and I eat our eggplant parm the most. And he was right. It was so good. Braden and I actually split both of our dishes with each other, so she ended up getting the veggie burger, and that was really good too. It was like a mushroom lentil. It was really good. Normally, I don't like getting veggie burgers out because a lot of veggie burgers I end up getting would be pretty dry. That's why I normally just get a Beyond Meat or Impossible Meat burger. Was so glad that we tried that place, and then we ended up getting dessert as well. A brownie sundae, which was insane. You guys saw what it looked like. The whipped cream on it was crazy. And then after that, we ended up going into Soho because we had to stop at Blick because Braden needed to pick up a couple of supplies. And then after that, we were about to head home, but I was like, oh, I think Chris is at work. So we ended up stopping in at Knickerbocker and seeing Chris. And that was so lovely too. You are talking up a storm. Was dinner good? Was it yummy? I know. Did you have a good day? You got wet paws, little miss. Did you just go in the water fountain? Want to say hi to the back? Say hi. They don't get a hi? No? Okay. No hello for you guys. Honestly, I've had such a good weekend. I am so glad that Braden and I got to do dinner as well because we have not had a one-on-one day in so long, which is fine and understandable. She's been so busy with all of her art shows. She actually has a show next week. Honestly, I think that's gonna be in this vlog too. So you guys will get to see Braden's show. I'm just so proud of her. I mean, she's always hardworking, but she has really, really been putting in the work this summer. The fruits of her labor are paying off. But yeah, it was such a good weekend. Thank you for joining me, guys. Thank you for keeping me company. I'm probably going to sign off here. Not for the vlog, but for tonight at least. Bye. Is that a little coconut oil, baby? Thank you. This guy got a bath yesterday, so I put a little bit of coconut oil on her fur. She's looking a little greasy or disheveled. You don't need much. It's actually recommended to not put anything on cat's fur after you give them a bath. Hello. Can mommy have a kiss? Thank you. Can I have another? No? Okay. I'm pushing it, huh? This is what it's like having a 7-year-old cat. She's very sweet, but she tells me no when she doesn't want to do something. Don't knock down the camera though, mama. Obviously, cats are self-grooming, and especially after a bath, they're going to excessively lick themselves because they want to groom on top of what you just did. When they're grooming themselves, they're going to lick off whatever you just put on them. So that's why you actually don't want to put anything on them. But if you do, you can put coconut oil just because they are allowed to ingest that. Obviously, only a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. But yeah, my girl's looking a little spiky. It's very, very funny. She's looking very 90s. Like the wet spiky hair that people used to do. Look at her on the window. I posted a vlog this week and I guess I just did not have Sky in the vlog, so I got a comment that was like, how dare you, basically. They were nice. They were nice about it. I am very clearly paraphrasing. Either way, guess I gotta pick up the sky content. Happy Thursday, guys. Today is Braden's art show. The show is from 6 to 8, and then after the show is an after party at 9. So very excited to see what all we get up to tonight. Let's go.